Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. This is a retro Kraft business card. You can easily download from the link in the description here, down from here, and here is the front of the card and back of the card. You can see available in Adobe Photoshop format. So you can see you can edit it in any way you want. You can change the font, change the logo. Here you can change this text consulting. Also change the preset text, replace black, style GFX, or anything you like. So this is completely customizable, and you can also customize background or anything. So here is the front of the card, and here is the back of card, including your details, phone number, social media. Here you can see your phone number, website. So this is your location, and you can completely customize it, back, logo, so on. I know you can do this. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data got used for you. If you are a graphic designer looking for free graphic template, you can check out my website, my YouTube channel. I provide you graphic templates for free. Take care.